Excuse me, for today's vlogmas. Hang around me here, bored, feel me. I got my sissy right here. She's chilling. Laptop's dead, you know. I went to Starbucks today, drank that pink drink like and I had residual. I didn't have to show you that, but I was talking, but like my AirPods are dying. I'm listening to music. I'm listening to Wonder by Shawn Mendes. But today's my OOTD. This is a black crop top with my Hanes sweats and my Air Forces, you know the deal, and my Walmart jacket. I think I might take a bath today, so I'm gonna show y'all like what I do, what I put in my bath and stuff like that, because you know I'm bougie like that. I'm waiting for my computer to turn on, but it's dead. What if it's plugged in? Oh, there you go, on my computer. But yeah, I'm gonna take off my shoes already. Flowers, guys, I need to put more water in them, but they're kind of blooming out already. I want everything in my room for Christmas. I turned them on last night. My room looks super cool, so I'm just gonna turn on like my candy canes and my LED lights and my Christmas tree. Oh, I like to have it on the white because I like the white effect it gives me. I put it over here. Okay, so like when my boyfriend was here like last week, he helped me kind of fix the tree a little bit because you know I was looking a little weird. So he helped me move a little stuff, little ornaments and stuff like that. And oh, I need to put more glitter on it, but this is the tree skirt that I have. It's supposed to look like snow. Here's my big box with nothing in it, no Christmas present. And I don't know if I should remember this. I'm gonna get like a Starbucks sticker and then put it on there so it look like Starbies. But yeah, we still haven't found a tree topper. Oh my god, guys, it's just like so much. You just know, we just want to relax and chill, enjoy the moment, but we can't because it's like always something. Every day we gotta get Christmas presents or like you know something's up. Yeah, it's like something different. So it's like, you know, I wish I had a car. I can do a drive with me, guys. Like I honestly wish I can do that. But very soon, hopefully, one day I'll have that and I'll take you along car tours, drive with me, Starbucks, you know, all that good stuff. I just can't wait for that one day. Should we just listen to music and just jam out for a little bit before I like take a bath and just like you know relax and chill myself? Because I haven't had that lately and I've been waiting to do it, but it's just like something comes up, or sometimes I just don't feel like sitting in the tub and I just want to just watch YouTube, or mother freaking Santa Claus 3 over here. So, and plus I need to clean my room. I need dust and Clorox. Should I do that? Really don't want to, but I have to. So I guess we can do that for this video. We can just clean a little bit. I clean my mirror, but it's like dusty busty over here because it gets so dusty in my room. I just can't, like, I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Let me put y'all back in way more so you can actually see me. So, passing a little bit, I have no nathaly. Cleaning part 2. I'm back. So, I'm gonna dust everything first. So, shit. I'll put some jams for y'all guys while I clean. Go down. Got it. So I'm gonna place y'all over here so you can see me. I have some boogies in my throat, so I'm like, so. I'm gonna take this down. I'm gonna take this down. Put you, Mr. Nutcracker. will be getting hot in here, especially if you have a chandelier and no fan. You know definitely how hot it gets in your room. And your girl's wearing sweats over here. Woo! Okay. Get this done. Let's put some jams on. You want to put some Christmas music because we're in the Christmas spirit and the Christmas month. So, give it to someone special. So tell me if you're really there. I just could try to clean that. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna take off my gloves, clean the mirrors. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be using. You know, we got the good shit now. The other one was like a this is full bottle, so we all good. So you know when I spray like this, you know what I'm trying to say. So, did y'all see that? Did y'all see that? Okay, so y'all didn't get to see it, but hit the camera. Y'all didn't get to see it, but the camera turned off. So I'm just putting back. I just clean. I just put everything back, and I'm just cleaning stuff. I need to clean my makeup brushes, but I don't have time for that right now. What else I gotta clean? That's glass. What else I gotta clean? That's glass. I don't see anything else. I already cleaned that. I guess that's it. Well, I guess I'm done, guys. Okay. But I'm gonna spray a little bit of Febreze in my room to give it that guy smell. And this is the one I've been loving to put my boyfriend on because he loves it so much too. The Febreze Air Ocean. It smells like, what is it? Abercrombie when you walk in. It's like, I get that vibe with this, so I'm gonna spray it. Smells so amazing. And I was out of my candle right here, and I need to hurry up and go to Bath and Body Works and exchange the ones that we picked out because we needed to buy them because it was like a sale, you know. So I'm trying to get a Bath and Body Works candle in here because I haven't had a Bath and Body Works candle in forever. Whew. So this my bed looks so comfortable. Like, don't you just want to lay on it? Yeah, clean up. I left my purse in the kitchen. Freak nugget. Oh my god, I put too much, I'm dying. I'm just here cleaning, you know. Daily Danyel. Oh, see with the mask. But this is my electronic drawer. And it's freaking cool. I have a mini phone ring light. Giving y'all a tour. My piggy bank for coins, you know, because you know I'm broke. Oh shit, I almost fell. Broke, so I'm like coin saver. Another tripod, battery camera for my phone, camera cover, holder place, some shit. Okay, let me tell you about this story. Okay, this whole time vlogmas, I'm having like bad luck for some reason. So, okay, I got this probably beginning of this year, a connector for my MacBook Pro, and if you haven't seen me unbox that Mac of December of last year, and go check it out. That's a great video. It's my first time ever getting a laptop up here. Okay, this is pissing me off because the whole time for vlogmas, this thing right here, it's like so loose, and I try to put my SD card in, connecting shit is not working. Like, I keep having a hard time, and sometimes I'm trying to post like more than one video, have it in there, edit half of it, and then if I film any more, put more of it in, and just like, ugh. So it's like connecting wise, it's just giving me hell with this. So I'm trying to find a really good one connector so I can buy it. So if you have any questions down below, leave them please. If you have a good one or it's lasted, dude, this is lasting a pretty while, but like I guess from like taking it out, it's getting loose. It's losing its shit, so you know, I need a new one. Just giving you a story of what's going on during vlogmas of editing. I've been doing videos every day. I'm trying to edit. Editing is like pretty a lot. I try to add some different things in there. Please let your friends know, family members, watch. If you're probably having a gathering or you're bored, put something on. Play my playlist, Danyel's YouTube videos. Just let that play, you know. Watch my videos. I would really appreciate that. I watch my own videos. Ooh, Pink Nation sent me $20 up score wear everywhere bra, seamless leggings, and cozy accessories. I wanted that stocking, but I already have enough stockings. Like, Danyel, You don't need any more sheets. But guys, I really wanted the unholster this sleepwear set, and I don't have it yet, and I've been waiting for it. Christmas theme. I hope it's a Christmas theme because I really want it. I don't know if y'all watch my stories or not, but I post like cute stuff. Oh, look at that chihuahua. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look, there's me, guys. I posted the video before this. Bath right now. I'm gonna set up everything. So let's get that done. Christmas pajamas on, the Christmas spirit. So yeah, just relax, edit this video, post it tomorrow. My shirt and my pants. And now I don't see the torn part because that's weird. But love my set. I wear different pajama pants every week, so those are pajama pants we're wearing for this week, and next week will probably be my set up the tub right now, and then I'll show you what. See if I have any bath bombs. I don't even know if I have bath. Oh my god, I'll be so pissed. But your girl's always needing bath bombs. I need to go to Lush and get me some cute ones. I haven't had Lush in forever. But I'll BRB. Put back. Gonna put some on bubble bath. They have You're the One. Boys, you can't see me. They have You're the One bubble bath. I'm like, damn, I want that. But it's like $18. I ain't trying to spend $18 where I can get a big ass one for $1. But I'm gonna use my vanilla brown sugar and my bathroom sugar here. So we're gonna look together because we set up everything, and so I don't know where everything really is in. Okay, there's something in here. Okay. Place it off right here. So we're gonna check. Okay, I have my lashes in here. I have my Dr. too. So I have this one. It's pomegranate berry. It smells delicious. Oh, look. So guys, I'm getting in the shower right now, and this is what it looks like. It's something cute and simple. It's something cute and simple because, you know, just little things can make a bath more exciting, more relaxing, all that stuff. So guys, I'll see y'all after I get out. Hey Liz, I am back. Turn the light. Come on. Oh damn. Okay, but I'm back. You know, my daily facial thing. Put some sanitizers, some cotton ones. These are from Walmart. Get my handy dandy toner. I'm not really a fan of this one, but I'm just using it because, you know, it's the only toner I have, and I need to use it up. I don't want it to waste and sit there. So I feel like it doesn't even really do anything for my face, honestly. But I'm just gonna see if it just cleanse my face. Like, it kind of hydrates. Like, it feels like a cooling effect on my face. It feels good, but it kind of stinks, you know. My Clinique, I'm almost done with this one. I mean, like, if I had laying down, but like, I'm like right here. And this lasted. This has lasted me since April. So April, May, June, July, August, September. Is it like 8 months, right? April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Oh, 9 months. So I had this for 9 months. And I kind of use it like morning and night. But it's a great overall moisturizer. I really like this one. I like this one if you want to like know good moisturizers I've tried and I really love. This Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizer and Gel. I use a gel because I'm very oily, so if you're dry, use cream. If you're oily, use a gel. And I like Kiehl's, the SPF one. I prefer because, you know, you can use it in the morning and it gives you some SPF. And what is it called? Okay, the Belief. I had the Belief one. That one was really good. I think those are the only top 3 I actually like is the Belief. Oh, and I like the It Cosmetics too. So It Cosmetics yellow one, Belief, the Kiehl's, and the Clinique are my top 4 favorite moisturizers. My niece organized it really good, so like, thank goodness, because I have not done this. So thanks to her, shout out to her. She organized all my stuff differently how I would do it, but it worked out perfectly because she did good. So I am basically done. I'm going to edit this video. Oh my gosh, it feels so good when you let down your hair. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video of me basically just bored as heck at home. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. And please watch any of my vlogmas videos if you haven't watched them recently, so go watch them. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
At the Christmas party hop.